Hello, have a good day. Today I wanna help you in the process of buying TikTok comment services. This is the first page of our panel. As you see, we have two options, Iranian version and Word version. We need Word version. Here we have two options too, professional panel and light panel. Now for light panel is okay. For registering an order, you need to log into the panel first. So, you should enter your email and password and then log in. After doing reCAPTCHA, you can log into the site. Here you can see the dashboard, and with the icon Other, you can use pages and services and everything you need. We need pages at first. So here in this page, we can see all social medias that we need TikTok. With scrolling down, we can see its services that we need TikTok comments. Here we can see the variety of these services and you can choose one of them. For example, this. Here, by entering your link or your ID and everything that we need, you can submit your order. Before any registering or submitting an order, you need to read the description of service carefully. It helps you to figure out the information about your service or anything you need. For example, quality of the service, how much it drops, or start time, speed, and everything you need. After reading these items, you can put your information in the blank. As you see, you have two options for paying your service. You can use your wallet or you can use other ports like Perfect Money and Payer. After choosing them, you should press Accept and Payment. After placing an order or even canceling it, a receipt will be displayed you which contains the code and other items. That here we have a tracking code, a status of your service, and everything you need. That's all. We hope your questions have been clarified. Warm wishes.